this video is about the starting pay or the initial pay of a fresher. So suppose someone joins a fresh in a new job for the first time in her career or in his career. This is first job. What would be the initial pay? What would be the starting salary? I am talking about what is happening now, the post-pandemic period. Right. Normally, in government offices, in government jobs, they continue to get the same salary as people were getting earlier. It means that there is no revision in pay. There is no revision at all. So the government continues to pay the same salary. Suppose someone is appearing for some competitive examinations. Suppose she gets selected and she is going to join somewhere in a government office. Naturally, the pay would be the same as it was earlier, like what it was earlier, in the last year or even the year before. So it all depends upon the pay commission and whatever it says, government is paying. Okay, so there is no difference. Then what would be the opening say or the starting pay in government offices? Normally, as a clerk, like as MTS, some people call it MTS, multitasking service, MTS, or the clerical career, LDC, UDC, something like that. Starting pay would be somewhere around 22,000 rupees. Between 20 and 25. That will be the starting pay. Of course, it's all uniform all over India. It will be uniform almost, at least for central government jobs. And when it comes to state government job, there may be slight variation, not much, very slight variation. In states like Tamil Nadu, there is no variation at all, if I'm right. Both are same almost, at par with central government. Okay. Now the initial pay at the at the entry level, as an MTS or a clerk or an LDC or UDC, one would be getting something like 22, 23, something like this. And there will be other emoluments as well, right? This is about government job. And what would be the maximum? I am not taking the civil services into account. Okay, this is totally different area. Okay, like inspector's exam. Suppose someone writes, someone gets selected in the staff selections exam, the CGL exam, and he gets into government job as an inspector or something like that. Then the starting pay would be something like 50,000 to 60,000 rupees. 50 and 60, 50,000 to 60,000 rupees. So pay level now, as it is fixed by the pay commission. Okay, there is not much of a difference. Suppose someone gets into a job in a private, public sector undertaking like bank, nationalized bank or insurance company. The starting pay at the lowest level, I am telling you, at the lowest level, like LDC, lower division clerk, at that level, junior assistant, this level. So again, the initial pay would be something like 20,000 rupees again. Not much of a difference between central government job and public sector bank, a job in a public sector unit like bank or insurance. It will be somewhere between 20 and 25,000 rupees, right? Suppose someone is getting into private sector. If it is to be like a big unit, a big software industry, a big software name there, a big software company like TCS or Cognizant or Infosys, in such places, the initial pay would be somewhere between 20 and 25 again. Sometimes it is even 15 or 18,000 rupees. It depends. Normally it is around 20,000 rupees in major companies in the software industry. This is the position now. Okay, and I am talking about what you are getting at the initial stage, at the entry level as a fresh graduate. You will be getting around 20,000 rupees. Normally it is 15,000 to 18,000 rupees. Some people say sometimes it is 20,000 rupees also, but there is not much of a change. The pay has not been revised at the post-pandemic period. If the sources that are telling me, if they are correct, so there is no revision. Okay, what about the other companies in the software industries? Say those who are now so popular like TCS or Cognizant or Infosys, but still they are very big companies. Then they are very good companies with very good reputation. So they pay somewhere between 15,000 and 15,000 rupees and 18,000 rupees. If someone goes to a smaller company in the same software industry or any other industry, then this starting pay will be somewhere between 12,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees. I am talking about what is happening at the post-pandemic period. A fresh graduate entry, for the first time, going for a job at the entry level, the initial pay would be somewhere between 12,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees. Even in the manufacturing units, they are giving only this much, 12,000 to 15,000 rupees. The only difference is that there might be other emoluments. Like there may be some allowances, there may be some leave facilities and other facilities might be there. More amount of PF contribution, all those things would be there. But normally it is somewhere between 12,000 and 15,000 rupees. Suppose someone gets into a private school, it again depends upon the management. There are some very good people in the management and they are giving good pay. But in most of the cases, even they are helpless. In such cases, in small schools, the starting pay will be somewhere between 10,000 and 12,000 rupees. Sometimes it is 15,000 rupees also, depending upon at what level we are going there. Suppose like second grade teacher, or as a graduate teacher, as a postgraduate teacher, it all there may be a slight variation. So it starts from 10,000 rupees, it goes up to 20,000 rupees. This is the maximum. So as a teacher in a private school, which is not of a very good repute, but when I say repute, sorry, don't mistake me, I am talking about the size of it, the magnitude, the size, all these things put together. So if it is, if the management is really good, the people are so good, then perhaps they may give something like 18,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees. Otherwise, it is somewhere between 12 and 15. In some cases, it may be 10,000 rupees also. Okay, and there is another category. It is a very small unit, or where actually it is all fixed by one person, who is the managing director or chairman or president, or he is the owner himself, someone like him, a one-man person. One person is there who just one person is there who is fixing the salary. He normally does not give more than 10,000 rupees. This is it. We start with 25,000 rupees and it goes down up to 8,000 rupees. So this is it, and naturally we hope the situation would vastly improve perhaps in 6 months or maximum in a year. Wish you all the very best.